Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. So dear students, today we will start next chapter, that is chapter 2, and the name of the chapter is factors and multiples. So let me start the chapter. So first of all, we will talk about the multiples. So what are multiples? The number which we get after multiplying the numbers, that will be multiples. Here multiple is the product of one number multiplied by another. Okay, what is multiple? Multiple is the product. And what is product? The product is the number which you get after multiplying the number. So multiple is the product, and to get the multiple of a number we recite the multiplication table of that number. For example, if you want to get the multiples of 4, then what you will do? You will write the table of 4. You will multiply 4 by the another number. So 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, and similarly 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 60, and so on. So the number which we get after multiplying the numbers, here we have multiplied 4 and 1 and get 4. Multiplying 4 and 2 we get 8. So these number which we get after multiplying the numbers, that are the multiples. So 4, 8, 12 and 16 are the multiples of 4. Is there any more multiples of 4? Yes, a number has infinite multiples. Okay, there are so many more multiples of 4 in further. So to find the multiple of any number, you just multiply that number by another number. The next is the factors. So what are the factors? A factor of a number divides the number exactly. What will be the factor? If you want to find the factor of any number, then what you will see? You will see that numbers which can divide that particular number exactly. Divide exactly means with 0 as remainder. So here I have taken an example. If you want to find the factors of 12, you just look which numbers can divides the 12 exactly. So let me start from 1. Can 1 divide the 12? Yes, 1 can divide the 12. So how many ones make 12? There are 12 makes 1. So 1 12s are 12. Next number is 2. Can 2 divides the 12 exactly? Yes. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12, or 6 times 2 makes 12. Similarly, the next number is 3. Can 3 divides the 12? Yes. 4 times 3 makes the number 12. And next is 4. Can 4 divides the number 12? Yes. 4 can divides the number 12. That is 4 3s are 12. Now we no need to check the next multiples. Okay, so no need to check the next number, because here the number 1, 2, 3 and 4 is repeated here. 4 is also here. 1 multiplied by 12 means 1 is the factor of 12, and 12 is also factor of 12, because one multiplication fact gives us two division fact. Here 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12, and 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. So it means 1 and 12 both are the factors of 12. So we have no need to check the next number, because 4, 6, 12 these will be repeated at next. Okay, so what are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3 and after that 4, 6 and 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These will be the factors of 12. The next one is prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? The numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers, and that two factors are 1 and number itself. So prime numbers are the number which have only two factors, that is 1 and number itself is called prime numbers. For example, there are so many prime numbers are in our number system: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These all numbers are prime numbers because these all numbers have only two factors. Okay, the next is composite numbers. So what are composite numbers? A number which has more than two factors is called composite number, or the number which have two factors, that will be prime. But a number which have more than two factors, what about that number? That will be a composite number. Okay, so these are composite number: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 and so on. There are so many more composite number. And twin prime numbers. The next is twin prime number. So what are twin prime numbers? Here the two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. Okay, two prime numbers, any two prime numbers whose difference is 2. Difference is 2 means by subtracting that prime numbers you get 2. That will be the twin prime number. For example, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, and their difference 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So 3 and 5 are the twin prime number. And 5, 7, these are also twin prime number. 11, 13, these are also twin prime number because these also have difference too. The next is co-prime numbers. So what are co-prime numbers? Here two numbers are said to be co-prime when they have only one as common factor. Two numbers, no need that the number must be prime. Any two numbers in the number system which have common factor as 1, that will be co-prime numbers. Here I have taken an example. For example, 3 and 5. Here I have written the factors of 3. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3 because 3 is prime number and it must have only two factors. And 5 is also prime number and it also has only two factors, that is 1 and 5, and their common factor is 1. So common factor is 1. So these two numbers are co-prime numbers. In the set of co-prime number, the two number may be prime, the two number may be composite, or the two number 1 may be prime or 1 may be composite. But condition is that their common factor, their HCF is equal to 1. Okay. The next is prime numbers. Again we will discuss about the prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? We have discussed in previous. And which are prime numbers? Here I have taken the prime numbers from 1 to 100. I have written here there are total 25 numbers from 1 to 100 which are prime. Okay, 25 total numbers from 1 to 100 are prime number. Here some facts are about the prime numbers. First fact is 2 is only even prime number. So in our number system, the 2 is the only even number that is prime, and other no even number should be prime. So it is a fact, 2 is only even prime number. The next is smallest odd prime number is 3. The smallest odd prime number is 3. Why it is 3? Why it is not 1? Why 1 is not prime number? Is 1 a prime number or composite number? So if we talk about 1, how many factors 1 has? 1 has only one factor. So the number which have only two factors, that are prime, and the number which have more than two factors, that are composite. And 1 is the number which has only one factor. So 1 is the number which is neither prime and nor composite. ना तो वो prime है और ना ही वो composite है. So the smallest odd prime number not be 1, it will be 3. Okay. Next, the greatest prime number of one digit. Here the one digit prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7, and what will be the greatest one digit prime number? That is 7. And greatest prime number of 2 digit is 97, and 11 to 97, here I have written the prime numbers, and the greatest one is 97. So 97 is the greatest prime number of 2 digits. And again there are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Next is no prime number except 5 ends in 5. It means the number which are ending with 5 that are not prime. Only 5 is the number which is prime number. Other the number, there is no number which is ending with 5, because the number which are ending with 5 are the divisible by 5, so that will be not prime numbers. Next is some facts about factors. We have discussed about the term factors here. So here are some facts about the factors. So first is 1 is factor of every number. The number 1 is factor of every number because 1 can divide every number. Okay. The next one is every number is factor of itself. Because every number is divisible by itself, so every number is the factor of itself. Third is every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. Okay. Every factor, आप कोई भी factor लीजिए, that should be less than the number or equal to the number. The number which is greater than the number, that not will be the factor of that number. The next is the smallest factor of number is 1. Okay. The greatest factor of the number is number itself. Now some facts about coprime numbers. The first one is, we have already discussed about the coprime numbers. The number which have only 1 as common factor, that are coprime number. So what are the facts? First is 2 prime numbers are always coprime number. If we have a set of 2 numbers and in that both of them are prime, then that will be the coprime number. And next is any 2 consecutive numbers are always coprime number. The consecutive numbers, the number which have difference of 1. For example, 3 and 4. The difference of 3 and 4 is 1. That are the consecutive numbers. So the consecutive numbers are always coprime number. Next is, if out of 2 numbers, if one number is prime and other is not multiple of first number, then both are coprime number. If we have a set of 2 numbers, one number is prime and other is not the multiple of that number. Here I have taken 5 and 12 is not the multiple of 5. So the set of these 2 numbers should be coprime number. The next is 1 and any other number are always coprime. Okay, if I take a set of 2 numbers with 1 as one number and any other number, 1 and 7, 1 and 95, 1 and 100, 1 and 20, so that will be the set of coprime number. So these are the facts which you have to learn. I will post the notes of this. Read it thoroughly and then we will solve the worksheet based upon it. Okay, thank you very much.